When it comes to international wire transfers, one of the most important and widely used financial instruments is the MT103 SWIFT message. It's basically a standardized format used by banks and financial institutions to securely send and receive money across borders. This message type is essential for sending single customer credit transfers, especially in customer-to-customer or trade-related transactions. So, what is an MT103 SWIFT message? Well, the MT103 SWIFT message is a payment message used within the SWIFT network to transmit details of a specific customer payment. It's a single message that provides clear and standardized information about a financial transaction between the sender and the beneficiary. Unlike bulk messages or internal bank-to-bank transfers, the MT103 is tailored for individual customer transactions. MT103 is often requested as a proof of payment because it shows all the essential transaction details such as the sender, receiver, amount, date, and reference codes. So, financial institutions use the SWIFT MT103 for a few key reasons. First off, it helps confirm the successful initiation of a transfer. It also lets them track and trace the entire payment journey, which is super helpful. Plus, it serves as proof in case there are any disputes or inquiries. And of course, it helps them stay compliant with international regulatory requirements. Alright, so an MT103 message is made up of multiple fields, and each one plays a specific role in the transaction process. Some of the important MT103 message fields include Field 20, which is the transaction reference number. Then there's Field 23B, the bank operation code. Field 32A covers the value date, currency, and amount. Field 50K is for the ordering customer. Field 59 is for the beneficiary customer. Field 70 includes the remittance information. And finally, Field 71A gives the details of charges like SHE, BEN, or hour. All these fields make sure there's transparency and consistency in international transactions. If you're looking to verify or just learn more about SWIFT messages and their formats, there are a few great resources to check out. You can head over to the official SWIFT documentation at www.swift.com. There's also the SWIFT-REF directory at www.swiftrefdata.com. And for more on standards, the ISO 20022 info is available at www.iso20022.org. These sites offer deep insights into different message types and the compliance guidelines that go along with them.